Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make this healthy chutney powder with peanuts, almonds and walnuts. You will love the mix of spices and herbs in it. Let's get started. For this you need a pan, keep it on low flame and add 2 spoonful of oil and then add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Let it splutter. I've taken chopped garlic, 2 to 3 cloves, and then added 10 to 12 dry red chilies. You can adjust according to your spice level. Now it's time to dry roast peanuts. I've taken 5 cups of peanuts, 2 cups of almonds, and 2 cups of walnuts. Make sure you roast all the 3 ingredients on low flame. Mix it well and add red chili powder for spice and color. You can always skip this step. Add turmeric powder. I have not shown this in the video, but I have added turmeric powder as well. And now I added 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 2 to 3 teaspoon of coriander seeds. And lastly, add salt, mix it well again, turn off the gas and allow the ingredients to cool and blend it into a powder. Ta-da! Our chutney powder is ready. Very simple and easy recipe. Very healthy. Kids will love it. You can always store this in airtight container and it will stay for about 1 month easily. I use it for instant chutneys and my kids love to have it with idli or dosa. And I love to have it with rice and a dot of ghee. Tastes yum. You can also use this as curry powder for dry curries. So please do try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Please like, share and comment. Thank you.